Good afternoon to everyone. Thank you for your time na pumunta kayo sa Halloween. And
Gian, naiya na po sila, napapagod na. Isang linggo po nilang prepare talaga to.
Sorry, man, a few words lang po talaga siya. No, ayun, I would like to thank everyone on behalf of Sean and I. Maraming salamat for being here on the Sunday. I understand it's a family day, but you celebrated this day with us. It's a special day for us kasi we really planned for this a long time and really wanted to share this with everyone kasi yun nga, if it's too good, diba? You don't want to gatekeep it. So we want everyone to experience the wellness and the beauty that we can offer here, elevated pa. So thank you, thank you.
Thank you, Gian. So again, our friends from the media at sa mga special guests po, hindi ko na po patatagalin, but I have personal relationship with these two. I'm not just their PR manager or PR friend, but I have high respect for them because they're also my very close friend. Maliit na pangalan bilang advocate at PR person, tinataya ko po parating sinasabi sa mga brands na hawak ko. And these digital media teams who are here have known me for a long time. So ako na po magsasabi that they deserve the support that you will give them. Alright, so we can now open the floor for questions. So I'll give the mic to anyone. Pakilala lang po tayo.
To Lucky.
Yes, John Mike.
Hi guys, good afternoon. First of all, congratulations on the grand opening of Inouye. Now, can you tell us a little bit about where Inouye came from? What's the name? Actually, what does the name mean? And can you also tell us how does it feel to finally open this branch?
Okay, ayun. In a way, it's actually a Japanese word. It means life springing upward. So staying true to our vision and mission na we want to elevate wellness. Kaya doon talaga nanggaling. So figuratively, we want our lives to spring upward, diba? The quality. So doon talaga nanggaling yun, meaning nun. And then the feeling, actually parang everything's so fast-paced right now. So nagsimula yung araw namin ng talagang maaga with Sir Mix kanina. So ayun, hanggang ngayon parang it feels like a dream. Yun pala ganun, no? Parang it feels surreal talaga. Na, ito na ba talaga? Hindi ba ako nananaginip? Nandito ba talaga kayong lahat? Ganun. Kanina nakurot ako, so naramdaman ko, totoo. Totoo pala to. Ayun, kasi this has been my dream for 5 years already. So, kinukulit ko na siya for a long time na gawin natin to, gawin natin to. Laging, no, not yet. No, not yet. Parang, buti na lang pinayagan ako. Finally.
What was like the final
The trigger point? Yes, the trigger point talaga was, he was always asking me, ano ba kasing kakaiba? Ano bang meron dyan na wala yung iba? So doon na kami pumasok with the health and regenerative treatments, the wellness treatments, na we wanted to be a holistic approach. So when you come inside, yung treatments na magagawa ninyo dito is for the wellness within and then for the skin health also. Yun. So cellular health, skin health, so overall siya.
And did it have to have, like, kailangan ba na maranasan pa niya yung treatments first before you decided on finally pushing for them?
actually yes. Kasi lahat ng treatments na nandito is na-try talaga namin personally. And talagang siya, almost everything na-try. Kaya nung nakita ko na more on talagang health side siya. Sige, kasi ayoko naman na aesthetics, syempre hindi lahat mag-benefit. So, kahit may health side, everyone pwede mag-benefit.
Alright. Can you also tell us about the services that are currently offered by Inouye? And how can people actually go here? Do they need to schedule first before they go to the clinic? or can they just walk in as well?
Okay, so for that, in terms of the services, we have a lot of services being offered. So starting with the aesthetic side or the skin health, so we have different facials here. One that I would also like to highlight is our resurfacing peel facial. It's a chemical peel with no downtime. So in contrary to the peels that everyone is familiar na may downtime, di ka pwedeng lumabas ng bahay after the facial, magbabalat ka, medyo mangingitim, yung ganun. So wala kaming ganun. So after the treatment, you go back to your normal daily routine, all good. And then we also have laser treatments, various laser treatments intended for toning, for the exfoliation, carbon peel, scar treatment also. We also have for hair removal, diode, but we are using an advanced technology wherein the handpiece is already cold. So for those who have experienced diode hair removal na masakit, eventually mainit, bakit ganun? Yeah. So we address that here. We also have other doctor's procedures like microneedling, Botox procedures, biostimulators, skin boosters, IV wellness drips. So for the IV wellness drips, I would like to expound further kasi nga we are targeting wellness here. So we have drips intended for faster healing, faster recovery if you underwent surgery, if you're feeling fatigued or constantly drained. If you have a sickness, let's say nagkaladat ka, nagkatrangkaso ka, and you need help with recovery. We also have for serene restore naman, addressing those with insomnia, mood swings, anxiety, anything that would help you calm down. So we have those. For energy boost also. So for those who need help with brain focus or to eliminate the brain fog, energy production, maximizing also. Fertility, for those who would like to conceive and they need help. So this is based on the prescription of their OBs or fertility doctors. So yung contents nun, yun yung nandun sa drip na in-offer din namin for the both partners. We also have the stem cell. For stem cell, we have autologous stem cell and the umbilical cord stem cell. So for more on prevention, anti-aging, ganyan. So we can offer the autologous stem cell. But for those with a more chronic condition, we have umbilical cord stem cell, which can address dementia, Alzheimer's, autism, paralysis, stroke, Parkinson's, autoimmune. But I would like to clarify that it's not a magic treatment. It's not a cure. It's not a cure-all. It can help, but of course we do those treatments with guidance of their doctors as well. So with their evaluation and the approval also of the attending physician. So it's a teamwork, eh? Yeah, it's a teamwork. So yeah, we also, we recently launched another treatment. It's called EBU, extracorporeal blood oxygenation and ozonation. So basically, we filter the blood, we remove the toxins, we remove those components that can cause the clot, and then we put the blood back sa body. So going out, it's a dark red, and then going back, it's bright red already, signaling that it's already filtered. And it's oxygenated also. The benefits are improved sleep, energy maximization, prevention on the clot, pain management. So for those with risk of heart disease, so we have that also. We also have chelation treatment. Chelation naman is intended for flushing out of heavy metals inside the body. So as mentioned, we are in the Philippines. Pollution is everywhere, especially yun sa smoke, diba, of the leaded and unleaded. So basically, most of us, most probably, mataas ang levels natin ng heavy metals. So chelation can address that also.
You also have something for the hair.
Yes, we also have for the hair. For those needing help naman or attention sa hair growth, so we also do the gun treatment. So it's hair regeneration therapy, so it can help with hair growth. Machines naman, oh yeah, we have advanced machines here. For the lifting, we are using RF technology that targets the superficial and the deeper layers, the S-mass layer, giving you an instant effect, instant lift. But the results would peak on the third month. So yung instant effect, it's not yet the final effect. So mag-i-improve pa siya, and then on the third month, you would be able to see the maximum results. Ayun. So, sobrang dami na pagod. Ang dami niyang nire-remind niya ako, sorry. So, the highlight of everything is, meron po tayong scientific basis on the treatments that we will do because we have the skin analysis here. We use a technology that would give you the results on the wrinkles ng face, the fine lines, collagen, sunspots, yan. So, we can see those from the analyzer, and then there's a body scanner that we use here, wherein there are a lot of parameters that will be given. One is that the heavy metals level, the uric acid, sugar, blood viscosity, the status of your heart, lungs, bones, cardiovascular health, liver, name it, even reproductive health, gastro, pancreas, emotions, allergy, yun. So everything in just one scan. So we know it sounds a little too good to be true, di ba? But then again, the doctors are here naman to interpret the results, to explain everything further, and of course, to validate the results with the patient. Si patient lang talaga makakapagsabi kung totoo ba talaga yung binabato na results.
And you mentioned that the doctor is also here. I've seen earlier. Can you tell us maybe just the name where he hails from?
Yes, so we have our partner doctors. We have Doc Julie here. He's our medical director. We also have Doc Mark Takutan, and then we also have Doc Philip. So they are our partners here. They will be here during the consultation, during the evaluation, so that everything na nandun sa analysis na binabato ng results, a licensed physician is available to discuss everything.
Alright. Can you tell us, in the near future, who would you like to be like your customer? Who would you like to be here in Inuit?
Ako, honestly, baka yun lang, baka it's a far dream, no? But I really want of all ages kasi even those, starting from 18 years and up, those that can already do treatments, or maybe for the facial, even younger, like teenage years, maybe we can help them get through their puberty stage as well, di ba? Ayun. But in terms of the other treatments, of course, if minor naman, we can get consent from their families, but definitely professionals, young professionals, or like senior level management, and of course even those who are retired already and enjoying their free time. Most yun talaga, kasi we want to give them the benefit that it's already their time, di ba? They should be able to enjoy.
And take care of
Yes, yes,
themselves.
but it would be challenging to enjoy life if their health is at risk, or
Yes.
if they're not perfectly healthy. So, like I mentioned earlier, we are targeting the health span here. So we want to prolong it. We want to improve their health.
Can you tell us both you, John, and of course you, what's your like favorite treatment that you've undergone in this health and wellness?
During the IV trips, kasi anything I need, pwede siyang ma-recover, and yun, actually, yun yung mga talaga na test namin. Kaya siya yung frequently kasi talaga nagagamit ko.
Yeah.
One of my experiences, nagkaroon ako ng cut acid dito sa may eye, na even pag nag-break, as in, tulog ko siya. And yun, hindi rin ako yung recovery trip. Night, as in, dumudugok at kinabukasan, close na siya. Then on Sunday, the other, sumunod na araw naman, ganun na siya, as in, totally, wala nang cover, wala nang anything. Ganun siya kabilis. And even dun sa immune system, na malaki yung help. Kasi more on physical activities kami, kaya kailangan namin ng ma-recover.
And how about you? What's your like favorite treatments? Of course, you've probably tried all of them, but yeah.
Ano ako isang favorite yung surf kasi
Top 3 ka naman na. Top 3 treatments ka na lang. Hindi na kaya tuwan.
kasi part of aging, nagsasagi yung dito, nung ginamit ko siya dito,
Yeah.
nung ginamit ko siya actually laki na improvement, medyo na-feel ko parang bumata ako.
Ah.
So yung, and one
So
thing,
parang nagkaroon ng definition yung,
Yes.
what do you call that?
yung yung pangalan. Another thing, wala, before namin kinuha ng machine, dahil sobrang baba ng pain tolerance ko, hindi pwede yung masakit. Kaya ako, talaga yung mga treatments namin, tolerable yung pain.
How about you?
Top 3 na, kasi name ko lahat. Hindi na ako gagaya, but definitely the IV drip is one in the list. Pero sige, kahit kinuha siya. Another one for me would be the stem cell treatment. I did that last December. I really noticed the difference kasi in terms of my sleep. Ako honestly, tingin ko naman I'm healthy. Pero wala rin akong problem sa sleep. But in terms of the quality, doon ako may problema. Like, I can sleep 8 hours, 10 hours, 12 hours, pero pag-gising ko, pagod pa rin ako. But after doing stem cell treatment, 4 hours of sleep, 3 hours of sleep, feeling ko naka 8 or 10 hours ako. Buhay na buhay ako. Ganun yung pakiramdam. And I miss that. Kasi as part of maintenance, we can do it every 3 months or every 6 months depending on the condition. So in my case, I can do it every 6 months. So actually, due na ako. So now, napipil ko na ulit yun na ang haba na ng tulog ko pero pagod na pagod ako. May ganun ako. That's why it was supported by another treatment that we did last time lang, the e-book. Yun. So, yun yung first ko. Second one ko would be the biosimulator. Kasi ako, I really love hydration sa skin.
Yes.
Gusto ko yung glass skin. Ganun. Tapos ako, I believe kasi for the longest time, hindi ako nakanawalan ng acne. So feeling ko outside health lang siya, but I was wrong. Actually, it's hormonal pala. Kaya pala kahit na anong gawin ko, anong palit ko ng ginagamit kong skincare, anong facial, wala rin meron. It's because the inside pala should be targeted. So when I did IV drip, and then together with the biosimulator na treatment, the Jubilog treatment that I did, ayun, so sobrang ganda siya. Na-notice ko agad yung effect. And then the third one would be, ang hirap pala ng down to 3. Probably microneedling or, biosimulator na injection din talaga. Ako siguro microneedling if I would do it on my own or sa sarili ko lang, like I have a short time or walang doctor available to do the treatment. That's why I also recommend it kasi it's more convenient for me, no? I did microneedling with Biosome the other day. So, ang na-notice namin immediately, ang ganda talaga ng effect. Kasi the microneedling treatment, it boosts your collagen production. Plus pa the mess, the Biosome that we use. Ang galing kasi that time meron akong a little redness, pero right after the treatment, akala mo glass skin na glass skin, banat na banat ka. Ganun yung effect niya. Ayun, so for me, top 3 yun yung love ko.
Alright. And perhaps tell us how can one like, go here?
Yes, going here, we are along Tibog Avenue, so we are very near EDSA also. For the treatments naman, we highly recommend to book an appointment in advance. So we have our front desk officer naman, our client relations associate, addressing those. So siya naman magsa-schedule for the treatments. But if you happen to be around the area and then you want to do an ocular or maybe know more about the services, it's fine. We can discuss everything. And as long as we have an available esthetician or a doctor naman, they can accommodate.
Alright. So either call or social media?
Yes, pwedeng call, social media, through chat. Yes.
Alright. Thank you so much.
Other questions?
Wala.
Yes, Barbie Lishu.
Hi, Ms. Gian. So, congratulations po.
Like, can you share na po kasi nakita namin mga products po dito sa gilid. So, can you share po yung paano po ba siya after treatment po, dinit po ba yan?
Okay, so most clients kasi they are asking, di ba, after the treatment, so paano na yun? Maganda na yung treatment na ginawa ko. Baka yung skincare ko pala, or yung body care ko, or hair care ko, hindi pa natugma sa ginagawa ko. That's often the question eh. So, yeah, so here we have a line for the body care, a line for the hair care, and the skincare set. So, each line naman, they have their own patented ingredient. Everything is organic, also made from recycled materials yung packaging natin. Of course, not just to help us, but to help our environment as well. So, ayun, everything is organic as I've mentioned. So, even as young as a baby, especially for the wash or the shampoo, they can use those also. So, if they're asking for recommendations or if they need help, so all the products here are available. After the treatment, they can approach us and then we can recommend the products to them.
And then in terms of the location po, and then the interior po, super hands-on po ba yung naging setup po?
Actually, yung sa design and yung kasi layout, personally kami yung nag-handpick and we gave yung specs sa designer para yung gusto namin maging ambience na homey, comfy sa clients. Yan, kami mismo yung namili.
Okay.
Ayun, totoo naman yun. We are very hands-on. Actually, not just the interior, but also the materials or like the specific pieces na nilagay namin dito. We really did not settle for this. Kasi may ugali kami na when we buy something, minsan sinasabi namin, ayan na lang muna para meron. But eventually, hindi na nakapalitan. So we learned. We already learned na pag bumili kami, yun na yun. That's why, as simple as a pillow. As simple as a pillow here, di kami bumibili agad. Very particular. Dapat itong brand, dapat ganitong size. Kapag wala yung ganitong brand at ganitong size, sorry, di kami bibili. Pero pag nakita namin yan, okay, let's take all. Ganun naman. So, ganun kami ka-committed. So, same din with what we want naman the clients to experience. We want them to experience the best. Kaya, we really don't settle for the second best for us. Yun. So, kaya ganun kami ka-detailed. Yeah.
Thank you po. Congratulations.
Maguyo po si Lionheart TV.
Hello ma'am, siyempre, nakailang weeks na kayo itong start.
Yes, nag-soft opening po kami ng June 27. And then today, the grand opening.
And dun sa bago mag-opening, ano yung best so far na parang feedback sa inyo na nakatry na ng services?
Number one na laging hindi talaga maaalis. Kasi sabi na, ang ganda raw ng feeling, ang homey ng vibe, kumbaga ang cozy. It's a clinic, yes, but it doesn't feel like nakakatakot. It feels like home, yun. And it feels private, yun yung lagi nilang sinasabi. Kasi although we are very accessible naman, kasi nga along Timog Ave and we are near EDSA, we are still inside the building. So, it's public but it's a little private at the same time. So, there's still privacy. Yun. Kaya na-appreciate nila yun. And then, in terms of the treatment naman, and na-amaze kasi sila dun sa feeling na lahat sila treated as VIP. So, that's what we want to maintain here. Na hindi dapat si ganito lang si VIP. Pag si ganito, bara-bara natin. I-treat naman ganon. That's why we highly encourage that everything is naka-appointment din. Ayun. And then, sabi nga niya, nakakatulog raw sila. Nare-relax sila. Kasi the treatments here, even the machine treatments or other facial treatments, ano talaga, yung zero to, or no pain at all, yun talaga yung gusto namin na feel ng clients. So, lagi rin namin kinukumusta, lalo na if the treatment involves needles or pricking or diba? So, lagi natin ito, are you okay? Are you feeling okay? Kamusta? You need anything? You need, and diba? Ang ganun ko. Yeah. So, we want them to feel cared for.
And also, dun sa mga partner brands niyo, paano niyo siya pinili?
Okay. So, sa partner brands, siguro dun na pumapasok yung pagka-chemical engineer ko na background na I really read labels Not just sa skincare that I use, even sa food, even any little thing talaga. Yung attention to details. So, dun ako talaga nag-ingredient. And then, each line nga, they have their own patented ingredient na nag-boost na. Like, for example, the hair care, it has the Certicola, which boosts yung blood flow sa scalp natin. It will help with the hair growth. Yun. So, it's very important for me na meron siyang something special. And then, we are soon to expand pa naman the lines to address more special concerns. So, stay tuned.
Thank you po. Congratulations.
So, pinagmamalaki din na Gian, no, the confluence of a very high margin physician-assisted treatments. So, pinagmamalaki nila yon. They have the very good doctors, the latest technology combined, the latest treatments that we have in the market, and of course, a safe space, diba? For everyone is very important for every health and wellness clinic. So, any other questions?
Yeah,
Okay, Stanley Breeze.
thank you. Congratulations. Medyo na-pick yung interest ko kanina regarding sa hair growth. Sa mga katulad namin may hair vanishing problem na in just a brief, paano yung treatment na ginagawa niyo and how affordable it is para sa mga
So for the hair, we are offering 2 treatments actually. It's scalp boost and the hair regeneration. So the more premium one is the hair regeneration therapy wherein we use tayo so more growth factors. Tapos yun yung i-inject natin sa scalp. We use a gun, it's a meso gun. And the procedure will be done by a doctor. So carefully assisted then also with the nurse. So it's recommended to be done about 3 sessions to notice the results. 1 month apart sila or every 4 weeks. Ayun. So hair kasi the normal cycle it takes about 4 to 5 months, the regular cycle, for you to really see the visible na baby hairs. Yeah. But in terms of this treatment, hopefully by the 3rd month or maybe even 2nd, if we are really cooperating in terms of the lifestyle, the hair care, diba? If we're religiously doing those, so dapat meron na tayong makikita little results. In terms of the pain, I must admit, there are specific parts that are painful because syempre rounded to and then merong parts na mas masakit talaga siya even though we are using a careful technique. But overall naman, the experience is tolerable. As you mentioned, we also did the treatment. In terms of the price naman, 1 session is actually more expensive than getting the packaged one. Kaya we highly recommend getting the package. Yes. And since this will be done by the doctor and with their proper guidance also and care, kaya a little on the pricier side lang. Although for those na starting pa lang, yung hair thinning or the hair loss, but we already want to prevent further. So we can do the scalp boost therapy. That's a little lower in terms of the price. Kasi nandun pa lang tayo sa prevention, di ba? Ayun.
So there's no downtime also?
He can explain further.
Please. We're so interested.
No downtime siya. Kasi after nun, actually, overnight lang. Pwede mo na siyang
Pwede mo mabasa?
Pwede mo siya. So it's a gun treatment. We use a gun. Tapos syempre during the treatment, right after the treatment, we don't recommend washing the hair just yet because of the meds and everything. But after 24 hours, yes. But I must admit there are specific parts na kapag ginawa yun, there's a little tingling lang. Yeah, and then there's a tingling sensation kasi nga may nag-hit tayo na something. But it's not to the point na maiiyak ang patient or talagang aaray.
Alright, thank
And
you.
of course, sorry, I just have to mention that if yung patient naman talaga is mababa yung pain tolerance, we can do topical anesthesia naman. Although it's not really needed. Pero kung meron talaga that's interested to do the treatment, pero aminado mahaba yung pain tolerance na we can help naman a little. Yeah, a little lang. Yes, kasi we don't want naman na during the treatment yung anesthesia na lang yung pumapasok, di ba? So a little lang, just to help. But hanggat kaya, wala.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, Sally. Any other questions? Tsaka I think ang ipagmamalaki ni na Gian and John is most of the treatments you've tried yourselves, right? So they wouldn't recommend something na hindi mo na dumaan sa sarili nila. I think yun yung edge din nila as owners, founders of Inoue. Sir Ed Uy, you have questions? Where is Ed Uy?
Hi ma'am, congratulations. Two questions.